Hello friends, today we will see how you can use your phone as a PC or laptop speaker. If you don't have a speaker for your PC or it broke down or have a laptop but speakers are not working, you can use this trick to use your phone as speaker for time being. There are many softwares on the market that can do this. I'm just showing you one of them. Feel free to let us know if you know any alternative. So first on Google, search for audio relay. The website is audiorelay.net. So now on the page, you will see the download button. Click on it, then choose the OS that you have and download and install it. Now the software interface is fairly simple. As you can see, on the right hand top, it will show you PC name and address. Now below, you will see audio device option where you will see output devices and input devices. These are the main two functions. Please feel free to browse through other settings by yourself. Now, if you want to use your phone as a PC or laptop speaker wirelessly, then your PC and phone should be connected to same Wi-Fi connection. Now on the phone, open Play Store and search Audio Relay and download it. Now after opening the app, on the player page, it should auto-detect your PC or laptop. But somehow, if it does not detect it, then just below you will see an option Connect by address. You just have to enter the address you see on the software. As it has automatically detected my system, then I just have to tap on it. And on the software, in PC or laptop, it will show the phone. Now on audio device, in output device, it should be selected virtual speaker. Now your phone should act as a speaker for your PC or laptop. Now after disconnecting, if you can't hear sound from your laptop or PC, just go to sound settings and change the output device from there.